Alright, let's get real about those handy beam glasses you keep seeing all over your social feeds. You know, the ones promising supervision, hands-free lighting, and a free pair if you just pay shipping? Yeah, those. So, are they legit or are you about to get scammed? First up, the marketing. If an ad claims you've won something but still charges you more for shipping than the product's actually worth, that's a massive red flag. According to recent consumer reports and, honestly, a ton of Reddit threads, the quality of these glasses is seriously questionable. Most people say they feel like dollar store knockoffs, cheap plastic, flimsy hinges, and nothing like what you'd expect for the price. But it gets worse. A lot of customers report never receiving their order at all, or waiting weeks for something that never arrives. And good luck getting your money back. Customer service is pretty much a black hole. Some folks even found themselves getting billed for memberships they never signed up for. Yikes. Let's talk about the tech. Those self-adjusting lenses? Experts say they're just basic magnifiers, no prescription magic, and they definitely can't fix astigmatism. As for the night driving claims, yellow-tinted lenses can actually make it harder to see at night, which is straight up dangerous. And the built-in LEDs? They might help you find your keys in the dark, but they're way too flimsy for anything serious. So what should you do instead? If you want smart glasses, check out Ray-Ban Meta, actual tech, real reviews. For night driving, opt for anti-reflective coatings from your optician. And for hands-free lighting, stick with trusted tool brands. Bottom line, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.